Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 4 column in one page in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software, and we can see here we open a document. Now we want to make 4 column on one page. At first, go to the layout menu, then select the margin and column option. Then select the column number is 4. Then click OK. And we can see we make the 4 column. Now I am adjust the text box into 4 column. Now we can see we make 4 column into one page very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.